Welcome to our factory tour. Today we will see how shampoo is made inside a modern factory. Shampoo is a daily product. People use it to clean their hair and scalp. But have you ever wondered how it is made? Let's go inside the factory and see the complete shampoo manufacturing process, step by step. The process starts with raw materials. Large trucks bring chemicals and ingredients to the factory. Each material comes in big drums or containers. Workers carefully unload them using forklifts. All materials are checked before entering the storage area. Shampoo is made using different ingredients. The main ingredients include water surfactants, cleaning agents, fragrance color, preservatives, conditioning agents, thickening agents. Each ingredient has an important role. Water is the main ingredient. Before using it, the factory purifies the water. The water passes through filters. Then it goes through reverse osmosis systems. Clean water is stored in large stainless steel tanks. Accuracy is very important. Workers measure each ingredient carefully. They use digital weighing machines. Wrong measurement can damage the product quality. Everything is recorded in the system. Now the mixing process begins. Large stainless steel mixing tanks are used. The tank is cleaned before use. Purified water is added first. Surfactants are added slowly. These are the cleaning agents. They help remove oil and dirt from hair. The mixing machine rotates slowly. The liquid starts forming foam. Some ingredients dissolve better in warm temperature. The mixture is slightly heated. Temperature is controlled automatically. Too much heat can damage the ingredients. Now, conditioning agents are added. These ingredients make hair soft and smooth. The mixture becomes thicker. The machine keeps mixing continuously. Next, fragrance is added. This gives shampoo a pleasant smell. Only small amounts are needed. The smell spreads through the mixing tank. Some shampoos have color. Liquid color is added carefully. The color mixes evenly. The shampoo now looks attractive. Thickening agents are added. This gives shampoo its smooth texture. Workers check the thickness. If needed, adjustments are made. Samples are taken to the laboratory. Experts test pH, level thickness, fragrance, cleaning power. Only approved batches move forward. After mixing, the shampoo is cooled. Cooling prevents chemical reactions. Large cooling systems are used. The liquid becomes stable. Finished shampoo is transferred to storage tanks. These tanks are sealed. No dust or contamination is allowed. The product waits for filling stage. In some factories, bottles are made inside. Plastic granules are melted. They are shaped into bottles using blow molding machines. Hot plastic becomes solid bottle shapes. Before filling, bottles are cleaned. Air pressure removes dust. Clean bottles move on conveyor belts. Everything is automatic. Now filling begins. Machines fill shampoo into bottles. Each bottle gets the exact amount. No manual touching. High-speed automatic system works smoothly. Caps are placed on bottles. Machines tighten the caps. Leak testing is done. No bottle should leak. Labels are printed and applied. Each label shows brand name, ingredients, expiry date, barcode. Labeling machines work very fast. Workers inspect random bottles. They check seal, label, position, filling level. Only perfect bottles go to packaging. Bottles are packed into cartons. Automatic machines seal the cartons. Each carton contains many bottles. Cartons are labeled for shipping. Cartons are placed on wooden pallets. Machines wrap them with plastic film. This keeps them safe during transport. Finished products are stored in warehouse. The warehouse is clean and organized. Temperature is controlled. Products wait for delivery. Finally, trucks arrive. Shampoo cartons are loaded carefully. They are delivered to shops and supermarkets. And this is how shampoo is made in a modern factory. From raw materials to finished product, every step is controlled and tested. Thank you for watching this complete shampoo manufacturing process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.